Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Look what we got. We got a fuel tank built, and it's built out of diamond plate. It's got baffles in it, and it's got a rather unique rock crawler pickup in it. There's a pickup here, there's a pickup here, and somehow it has the ability to determine which one's under fuel and which one's sucking air and switch back and forth between the two. We'll see if we can get this in the truck and see what happens. Well, it almost fits. We have to do some modification though. We have to cut the ears off up there, and these ears, well, they're back a little too far. We'll have to figure something else out there. But it's close. Well, we got to weld some brackets in for our tank. Then we got to drop the tank out, and well, you'll see. Got to fire up our Harbor Freight welder. Okay, the tank's out of the way now. We can finish welding the brackets, and then we'll get back to putting the tank back in. Okay, let's see if we can get the sending unit in. That doesn't look like the right way. Looks like that way. There we go. Well, I hope that doesn't leak. It's ready to go back in, but Puppy Dog says it's time to go in for dinner. Well, it's a new day, and what do we got going on here? Oh. Yes, it's only 9 days until the record games. We're running out of time.
We have to update our board.
Okay. Well,
have we gotten a gas tank?
Yes, we have the gas tank. We're going to put that in today. And what else we got?
Have we gotten the shift handle?
We've gotten a shift handle, but it won't get put in.
We got it, so it's okay.
Yeah. So
bolt down the seats.
We have not done that yet. No, we have not done that yet. Okay. And but we got to get the gas tank in, and we have to work on the red wrecker.
Have you checked any bolts?
I've checked some, and it's kind of had a bath, but it's got dirty again.
Sort of. Have you done a full evaluation?
No, I have not. Yes, we did finish the rear light.
Did you check the winch lines?
No, well, not really, no. We have to re-spool our new rear winch because that is binding up. I never re-spooled it after we put it in.
This is for after the games.
Yeah.
Snowcat's gotta wait.
Right.
Did we get Jemmy new ducks?
No, we did not get Jemmy new ducks yet. I don't know that she needs them, but anyway, let's get the gas tank in. All right. Now, back end's got to go up and over the rear axle. forward towards me. Okay, it'll hang there for a minute. Okay, so the lock washer and then the nut. And the top of the bolt will spin. Well, the fuel tank's in, but we still have to build the filler neck and the vent hose, and we still have to put the pump in. I do have a pump right here. We still have to put the pump in, the return line, bunch of stuff, and I still haven't got the air intake yet. We're still waiting for a fitting on the fuel pump. Oh, lots to do. But we got to get to the red wrecker. It's still on the trailer. Okay. Gotta get it off the trailer and into the shop. We have to adjust the park linkage on this because it wasn't holding itself every time. It would most of the time, but not every time. So our bushing looks a little wore out here. Let's see. Well, there we go, a new brass bushing. That ought to work. For another 10 years. Found some loose bumper bolts, can't have that. Well, we're going to keep going through the wrecker here, checking all the nuts and bolts and fluids and all of that for the wrecker games. Speaking of the wrecker games, have you got your supporter package yet? It's only good from our website through the wrecker games. After that, there will be no more. Remember, you can get Blondie or you can get the red wrecker. Or you can buy them both. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.